Hi and welcome to a series of spoken English. We are learning about how to ask about work, the nature of work, different ways of asking about work. We have also learned about phrasal verbs. In this lesson, we are going to proceed and learn how to use preposition when asking about work or job. Let us proceed with the lesson. Use of prepositions. Let us understand the meaning and what does the preposition suggest. The word at refers to a place where someone goes regularly for work, at. And in suggests inside or within a place of work. And the word for. Work for means to do a job for someone or a company. So we have learned three prepositions. One is at, in, and for. Let us proceed. The usage of preposition. He works for the BBC, but I don't know what is his job. She works in the research department at the university. She teaches science at an intermediate college. He is an electrical engineer in a big company. He is a lecturer at a college, or he is a lecturer in a college. When you say at a college, you mean the place, and when you say in a college, you mean some department in that college. In the same manner, he is a lecturer at a university, or he is a lecturer in a university. She works for a computer company. He teaches in a school, or he teaches in a college. He works as a manager in a bank. She works at the local hospital. You may read the structure several times in order to absorb the structure with the correct preposition. Let us proceed. We have reached task 4. The situation is you have met a friend, ask about his parents' work, job using appropriate prepositions. Now remember, in this task you are not asking the person about his job, you are asking about a third person. Let us proceed with the sample conversation that we have. The conversation is between Sonu and Anil. Sonu is posing a question and Anil is replying. Let us begin. What does your father do? Make a note of the word does. It is for the third person, it is used for father, and this word do is used for the action. What does your father do? He teaches in a school, or he teaches in a college. Remember, for the third person, we are using S with the verb. He teaches in a school. What does your mother do? Remember, we are using does for the third person, and for the action we are using the word do. What does your mother do? She works at the local hospital. Remember, for the third person, we use S with the verb. She works. She works at the local hospital. Let us say this again. What does your father do? He teaches in a school, or he teaches in a college. What does your mother do? She works at the local hospital. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you get the notification of the videos when I upload. Thank you.